there, my name is Samantha. I'm a certified instructor for CPR and First Aid, and I'm going to teach you, I'm from Kontota Mobile Grooming. I'm going to teach you about the Heimlich. And this is something that actually one of my students had to use at home in a situation where her friend's dog actually swallowed an eggshell, and she was able to perform the Heimlich and save the dog's life. So this can definitely come in handy, something you want to know if you are a pet parent, just in case, and it could save your dog's life or a friend's dog or some other dog. So, okay, so let's get started. So dogs tend to swallow things they're not supposed to, and sometimes that can result in choking. So what you're gonna do with a little dog is a dog that you can pick up. You're gonna pick them up and you take your hand and you put your thumb in your palm and then just fold over the rest of your fingers over your thumb, like that. And then you will take this, which is kind of like a fist, you know, and you will push it up in between the ribs. So right here are their ribs, a lot like we have over here. And then you're gonna push up into that kind of soft spot right between it, which is similar to if you've seen movies where someone's choking and then they do the Heimlich. I feel like that happened more often in old-fashioned, older movies, but that does happen in movies sometimes. So it's kind of like the same thing, because you're picking up the dog, you put them against your body and you push up through their sternum. That will help them eject the item. Say you have a dog you can't pick up, or you have another reason why you couldn't pick up the dog. You can go from behind, and same thing with your hand. You'll just put your thumb in between on your palm and fold over your fingers. And then you'll go towards the same area. So it's gonna be, the ribs are like this, and then there's gonna be a little soft spot right there. So you're gonna push up into that and from behind, and that'll help them eject out the item. Say you have a really big dog, like a Bernese mountain dog, and you can't reach your arm all the way around. You'll go from the side, and same thing with your hands, and then you'll push up and forward in between where the ribs are. So yeah, it's that simple. After that, you'll want to get the item off the floor, because dogs are known to swallow the item again. And it's also good to have it so that you can show the vet what happened. And if they want to evaluate if there could be additional items that they swallowed, so you still want to get them evaluated by a vet afterwards. So hopefully that was easy to learn, and it's easy to practice as well if you get a stuffed animal, something like that, so that you can practice. Practicing on your own dog might not really be the safest activity. So it's probably best to, unless you're very careful and your dog is really comfortable with that. So yeah, so hopefully that helped.